Hey guys, I'm Nisa Homey and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm sharing a healthy monsoon special Moong Dal Khichdi which can be made in the pressure cooker. And in just under 10 minutes, healthy, warm dinner is ready to serve. A quick and easy, perfect one-pot meal after a long, busy day at work. So let's get started with the recipe. To make Moong Dal Khichdi, I am using a 125 ml measuring cup to measure the ingredients. This recipe serves two. As usual, I am using white rice which has the bran, also known as single polished white rice. However, you can use ordinary white rice instead. Now I have measured half cup of the single polished white rice and I'm adding it into a bowl filled with water. Now if you are a regular on my channel, then you may have noticed that I use this rice which has bran. So the light brown specks on the rice is actually the bran, and that means more fiber and perfect for weight loss and weight management. Now in the same cup, I'm measuring half cup moong dal, also known as cherupayar parippu in Malayalam, and add it along with the rice and let it soak for about 5 to 10 minutes. If you are a working woman, remember to do this as soon as you reach home. And always remember that soaking your grains before cooking them will neutralize the phytic acid and release the enzyme inhibitors, which makes them easier to digest and also helps in nutrient absorption. So what happens when you eat grains and dals that haven't been soaked? Well, the phytic acid binds to minerals in the gastrointestinal tract and cannot be absorbed in the intestine and may lead to mineral deficiencies. So by soaking, you are breaking down the phytic acid and hence it can be absorbed easily for proper digestion. This also applies to nuts, especially almonds, and that is why I always recommend you to soak almonds overnight. Okay, once the rice and moong dal are soaked, stir it with your fingers. This will help the grains to rub against each other and help to get rid of the excess starch. Drain off the water and then rinse it about 2 to 3 times. And once the rice and dal is rinsed well and the water is clear, transfer to a strainer and keep it aside. And guys, moong dal is low in calories and it's a rich source of protein, fiber and antioxidants. It is light on the stomach, helps to increase metabolism, and the fiber helps to make you feel fuller for a longer time. It is also rich in essential vitamins like vitamin C, vitamin K, minerals like iron, calcium, potassium, magnesium, copper, zinc and much more. Now heat a pressure cooker and add in 1 teaspoon desi ghee. The addition of desi ghee helps to bring down the glycemic index of rice. It helps to nourish your thyroid and also helps to assimilate the fat soluble vitamin D. These days vitamin D deficiency is on the rise, and adding ghee in your diet will help in the assimilation of vitamin D. That means better bone health, and ghee also helps to balance your hormones. So addition of ghee in your diet is highly beneficial for those with health issues like thyroid and PCOS. Now once the ghee is melted, reduce the flame to the lowest and add in half teaspoon jeera, also known as cumin seeds. And once it starts to splutter, add in 4 whole red chilies broken into 2 or 3, and then add in half teaspoon turmeric powder, 1/4 teaspoon hing, also known as kayam in Malayalam. Then add in the washed and strained rice, add in 3/4 teaspoon pink Himalayan salt or as needed. And lastly, add in 3 cups of water. Now if you like your khichdi to be loose consistency, you can add in 3 and 1/4 cups of water. Now give it a stir and cover the cooker and allow it to have 4 whistles and then turn off the flame. And then allow the cooker to depressurize by itself. And once the steam has released by its own, open the cooker and healthy khichdi is perfectly done. Add in some chopped fresh coriander leaves and khichdi is ready to serve. Healthy, filling and fiber-rich dinner is ready to serve. Enjoy this wholesome and nourishing meal with your family or with your spouse. So guys, do try this recipe and let me know how this turned out. Don't forget to like, comment and share this video with family and friends. And if you're new to my channel, please click the subscribe button and also the bell icon next to the subscribe button so that you can get notified on your phone when I upload a new video. Thank you for watching, and until next time, take care. Bye-bye.